Get ready with me using Goddess Glow. 10% of profit is donated to charitable causes. Brow pomade shade medium brown. Creamiest pomade I've ever used. Cream blush shade pretty in pink. So pigmented, buildable, and really easy to blend. It gives you a natural glow. Lip gloss shade passion. The lip gloss is moisturizing and the color is just so pretty. 10-minute home lash extensions. I love how it's reusable, hypoallergenic, easy to apply, and saves me a lot of time and money. Bond application step 1. Apply bond under and close to the roots of your lashes. Lash application step 2. Start from the outer corner and work towards the inner corner. Sealer application step 3. Brush gently on the bottom of your lashes. Combining lash step 4. Clamp for 1 second at a time. Quench your thirst. This is an optional step. Before and after. Repeat steps on the other eye and that's it. I love it so much. It looks so natural. What do you think? Shop online at www.goddessglowbeauty.com.au.